Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear Instagram search history. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to clear your Instagram search history is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. So this could be on Android, it could be on iPhone. Once you open the Instagram application, locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then locate and click on 3 lines at the top right. Once you click on that, locate and click on Account Center. On the Account Center, scroll down to Account Settings and click on your information on permissions. Once you click on that, under your information on permissions, locate and click on Search History. Now go ahead and choose your Instagram name, and then you should see your Instagram search history. Now to sort the Instagram history, click on Sort, and then sort from nearest to oldest or oldest to newest. Now to delete them, just go ahead and click on Delete. And then you're good. However, if you have multiple search history on your Instagram, you can just come here and click on Clear All Searches. And then you should see in the last hour, yesterday, all time. Once you selected your preference, go ahead and click on Clear All Searches. And then you should see Clearing Searches. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to clear search history on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.